Hello, art friends. On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I want to show you how I made this movement collage. I kind of like how when I hold my paper sideways like this, it looks like the wind is blowing my shapes this way. Or if I turn it like this, it kind of looks like they're raining down from the top of my paper. So let's get to work. I'll show you how to make a collage that appears to have a little bit of movement. Here we go. I'm starting out with lots of colorful construction paper. This black piece is going to be my background, and from the colorful pieces, I'm going to cut out some strips like this. Then I'm going to chop these strips up into small squares like this. Okay, I'm ready to start arranging the squares on my paper. So I want them to be really clustered and overlapped on one side of my paper, and I want it to smoothly transition into them being really far apart on the other side, like this. There it is, friends, a movement collage. I can't wait to see the art that you're making at home. Remember to share it with me. Happy arting, everyone!